if I want to make the drawing, make the selection myself, freehand drawing. So for that purpose, we will click on the lasso tool. We will click on the lasso tool. When we will click on lasso tool, as I have already told you, other option also will be displayed at the bottom of the tool panel. You can see here, this is the magic wand tool. This is the magic wand tool. This one is if you want to change the setting for magic wand. And the last one is polygon mode. So all these are for the free form selection. For the free form selection, not for the rectangular shape or square shape. So firstly, I am selecting the object. By just double clicking, I am selecting this one object. Okay, now I am clicking on the lasso tool because I want to make the selection myself. Like look at here, like a pencil, I am just doing it. Clear? So it is not a rectangle shape or square shape. So if you were trying to change the color, look at here, only this because this is the selected part. Clear? If you will try to move it like that. So lasso tool, lasso means free form, or you can say free hand selection. Clear? Now come to the next that is polygon tool. As I have already told you, polygon tool is also like the lasso tool. It is also free hand selection, but the difference is that in that only straight line, with in the form of straight line, it will just select it. So firstly, I am selecting the whole this object, for example this one polygon. Now I am going to the lasso tool. Here you can see polygon mode I am showing to you now. This is in straight line form. So only this is the difference between the lasso and the polygon tool. Clear? Now the next one is magic wand tool. For the magic wand tool, firstly we will import one picture here, one image here. So I'm opening a new file firstly. And firstly I'm telling you how to import the image. So click on the file menu. Here is one option, import. Where I want to import? I want to import to stage, because this white color book where we will draw it, this is called stage. So we want to import to stage. So firstly I have clicked on the file menu, then I have gone to import, and from there I have taken import to stage. So which one picture you want to take, just select that picture and then click on open. You can look at here. This image has been imported here. So if you want to zoom it, go to zoom tool. This is hand tool and this one is zoom tool. This is hand tool and this is zoom tool. Hand tool if you want to move your stage area. If you want to move your stage area, hand tool you can use it. And zoom for zooming, if you want to increase the size. Enlarge or reduce. Enlarge means zoom in, or this one reduce means zoom out. So I want to zoom in. So just click on it. How much you want to zoom. After that, before using this magic wand tool, firstly what we will do, we will click on the modify menu, and from here we will click on the option break a part. So click on that option. So now I am going to lasso tool, and as you know, under the lasso tool, one option is there, that is magic wand tool. That is magic wand tool. Clear? And when you will click on it, you can see, like I want to see these colors, these yellow one. Then automatically that one will be selected. These are at the different places. You can look at here. And when you will try to move it, or when you will try to change the color also, then also you can do it. Yeah. If you want to add more selection, you can do. You can do by like clicking on it like that. You can do it. So I'm just undoing it by pressing Ctrl plus Z. Or if you want to change the color also, you can change the color. So those area has been selected. You can see the color has been changed here. So this is our magic wand tool. So now the next one is sub selection tool. Next one is sub selection tool. Sub selection tool. For example, I have made any shape. I'm making any shape here in front of you. Clear? And I'm just changing the inside color. The second one is sub selection tool. After the selection tool, sub selection tool is here. Just click on sub selection tool. And now here you will not click on the field area, you will click on the stroke, or you can say boundary. You can see here when I have clicked on the boundary, or you can say stroke, then the small squares are here. Small squares at the all four corner point. So with the help of these corner point, you can change the shape like that. Hold down your mouse left click and do like that. You can see here, you can change your object. You can change your object like that. But you can see only 4 points are there. The four corner points are there. If I want to add more corner points so that I can make the shape according to my requirement, so that is called transforming object. So now here you can also see. So if you want to add more point, what you will do? You will go to the pen tool, and under the pen tool, the second one option is add anchor point. Click on add anchor point, and wherever you want to make the point, just click on it. In this line, you just wherever you want to make the point, just click on that. For example, clear? Just click on it like that. जहां भी आपको बनाना है, just click on that. So now you can see we have made many points here at the left side, right side according to our requirement. So now there are not 4 points, many points are there because I have added many points. So same like that, if you want to delete any anchor point, so from here also the same option is here, delete anchor point. Okay. So now you can go to the sub selection tool and move your mouse pointer on these points. So you can make your drawing according to your requirement like that. It is called transforming object. It is called transforming object. And if you want to flip your object, if you want to rotate your object, then you can go to the modify, and then you can go to the transform option, and then you can do it. Firstly select that one and then go to the modify, and here is transform option. For example, if you want to rotate it, if you want to flip vertically, so you can look at here. So go to the modify and then go to transform. From here you can, if you want to rotate it, just rotate 90-degree clockwise. So these are our today's topic. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video.